Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we'll write a Python program to display a modulo table. Our output will look like this. Here modulo operator, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the column number. Then here row number. Then this is the result of modulo operation. Here we'll do row modulo column. So 1 modulo 1 is 0, 1 modulo 2 is 1, 1 modulo 3 is 1, 1 modulo 4 is 1, 1 modulo 5 is 1, like this. We'll print the modulo table like this. Alright, so this is about the output. Next, let's write the program. In the Python file, first we'll ask the user to enter the size of the table, and table size is an integer value, so we'll convert the input to integer using int function, because in Python 3 by default this input function will take input as string value, right? Next, to display a modulo table, we will divide our output into different sections. This is the first section, which includes modulo operator and this symbol. Then this is the second section, this is the third section, and this is the fourth section. First, let's write the code for the first section. To print modulo operator, we'll use print function. This is the modulo operator. Let's format this using f-string. I'll use center alignment and width as 4. Then we need to print this symbol also, and we are done. So save and execute. Here you can see this first section. In the next section, we want to print column numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Column number starts from 1 and ends at 5. 5 is the size of the table here. For that, we'll use for loop. I'll take range function and range as 1 to size plus 1. If size is 5, we'll get the column number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to print that, so print column number. Now let's format this using f-string. Center alignment, width as 4. Save and execute. Everything is in the different line, but we want everything, section 1 and section 2 in the same line. For that, we need to use end is equal to space here and here also. Next, save and execute. Here you can see the section 1 and section 2. Next, we want to print this line. To print this line, we'll use print function. Here, outside the for loop, we want to print this string. How many times? Size multiply 5 plus 5. Here you can see for column number width is 4 and empty string here. So total width is 5. For a number, width is 5. If the size of the table is 5, then we'll have 5 number. So width is size multiply 5. 5 multiply 5, 25. And this plus 5 is for this symbol. We'll print symbol. Its width is 4 as well as this space. So plus 5. And if I save this and execute this now, we'll get everything in the same line. But here we want this in the new line. So here let's use /n plus. Concatenate that. Save and execute. And here you can see the line. Next, we want to print this last section. Here first we want to print row number, then this symbol, then we want to print the result. That is the result of modulo operation. For this, I'll use nested for loops like this. For row in range 1 to size plus 1. And here we want to print row number. So here row, print that, and also format that. So center alignment and width is 4 like this. Then also we want to print this symbol and end is equal to space. Next, we want to print the numbers or the result of modulo operation in the same line. So for that, then here column in range 1 to size plus 1. Here we want to print the modulo operation result, that is row modulo column. Let's format this. Center alignment, width. Here also end is equal to space. We want to print the values in a row in the same line. This is to print values of different row in different lines, right? We are done. Let's save this and execute this. Let me take 5 and here you can see the table. Let's take 10. Here you can see the table. Okay, so this is about the modulo table. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you next class. Till then, take care.